Manfar, well, this man that's sitting next to me now, well, two gentlemen, Brian Burke, and the man beside him is a man that any musician would be proud to meet. I've never met him until today, but I'm glad to say that I'm delighted to meet this man, Junior Crehan. You're very welcome indeed.
Thank you.
Baldur Roads. Good man you are. So how are the folks up in Mullach?
Oh, fine there. Playing and dancing all the time.
Playing and dancing and this and that.
Enjoying life.
When you started out playing, the scene must have been very different. There must have been a lot of musicians around. And what was it like then?
Well, the country house was the place we learned dance and singing and sets and the whole lot. And the older players, of course, if we were interested in music, you listened to them and you got their way of playing, which I did, I think.
Oh, indeed you did then. But what kind of people were around that time, and who are the people that you remember now from your memories as the great musicians of
I remember the
Clare?
the Caseys, the Finnells, the Kinneys, Stack Ryan from Kilmihil, lots from the Madigans and Ennis, and lots of people like that.
You would have known Willy Clancy, of course, very well.
Clancy, yes.
All these people.
Martin Telty.
Well, you told me a story there a while ago about a priest who was banished. It was a fascinating story. And you also have an heir that's associated with that.
Yeah. Just called the Queen and Taggart, the priest lament. The priest married, and it was again the rule, of course, and he was banished. And he was seen into the cliffs of Moher. He brought his wife with him, and once he left West Clare, he was singing this lament and crying. And he went in under the cliffs and gave his blessing to the wife. But he had sung so often that she learned it. Two quarts was in Gaelic. And there was an old man who was singing for me, but the music, the air of it, I was interested. I never picked up the words, and I thought they'll be never again found.
There was Irish, of course, in your part of Clare when you were getting on. Well, we're delighted to hear it.
It goes like this.